Good to go?
Good to go. All right, what an incredible 5 days, 5 nights, 6 days it's been in Siem Reap. We're heading to the airport right now where we have an hour flight south and we're heading to Sihanoukville. We're gonna be heading to Koh Rong, which is one of the islands near Sihanoukville, and it is absolutely beautiful out there, supposedly. There's a lot of snorkeling, crystal blue waters, white sand beaches. Let's get to the airport and get on our flight. So we just made it to the Siem Reap airport. We are waiting for a flight, boarding in about 50 minutes, and we have an hour flight south to Sihanoukville. Sihanoukville, I think that's how you say it. Quick edit session, done. Hello. I'm just kidding. And we made it to Sihanoukville. I think that's how you say it. It was a pretty quick flight, around a 45-minute flight, or quicker. Now we made it to Sihanoukville. We've got to grab our bags and find our guy. All right, here we go. This is a good feeling. And there's Dustin's bag. Last one. Oh, and here's our guy right over here. And then here's our Lexus. Alright guys, so we made it to Sihanoukville. It's the southern part of Cambodia. A lot of people don't really know, but Cambodia has some pretty beautiful beaches. And we're going to be heading to an island called Koh Rong, which has one of the premier 4-star resorts that we're staying at, Longset. So basically, you take a taxi all the way to the business office, you buy a ticket for $22 for a ferry to get you to Koh Rong, and you'll be there soon. Perfect, thank you. Perfect, thank you very much. So it's a $22 ferry ride to Koh Rong. We got our tickets and we're gonna head to the pier now. It's such a mess out here. They try to like overcharge you for the conversion. Yeah, I would highly recommend go to an ATM and get the cash out and go to probably not a currency exchange on the street because they will rip you off.
There's no exchange rate. They just take whatever they want from you. So she just decided that she wanted $22 from me.
Jesus, what can you do, right?
There's no...
Use the bank. That's my best advice. All right. Oh my God, it's so good to be back at the beaches. Woo! So we made it out to the pier. We have a 45-minute boat ride and we'll make it to Koh Rong. Oh my God, look at that water. Oh, this is so beautiful. How you doing, Dustin?
So good.
So good?
This is gonna be incredible.
This is paradise.
These white sandy beaches.
Oh my God. So we finally made it out to Koh Rong. It is absolutely beautiful out here. We're gonna be here for the next 4 nights, 5 days. There's so many different types of resorts they have in Koh Rong, from backpacker friendly all the way to luxurious 5-star resorts. We're staying at a beautiful 4-star resort that's pretty close by to the pier. After you. And yeah, a lot of people don't really know about Koh Rong. When you first think of Cambodia, you think of temples and ruins, and Koh Rong is one of the most beautiful places out here, and it's the 2nd largest island out in Cambodia. So we're gonna have a good 4 nights, 5 days out here in Koh Rong before we head out to Thailand. This beach is so white.
Look at these white sandy beaches.
It's so nice out here. And a lot of the hotels, they say don't have Wi-Fi, they don't have AC when you come out to Koh Rong. Luckily ours does. And yeah, super stoked to be out here. I don't know if we have a transport or what, but there's not too many people out here at all at this first stop.
What are we looking for?
Where are we going? What are we looking for? I mean, if you're gonna be stranded somewhere, this is not a bad place.
I want to get in the water.
I know, that water is so nice. Hello, Longset Resort. You're looking for us. Christopher.
Hello.
Hello, thank you. This is our guy. Wow, he's just looking for us. To go from like Siem Reap to this, nothing wrong with Siem Reap. I just have a thing for beaches. I might be a little biased about that. Absolutely love beaches.
Beach bias.
Beach bias. Yeah, we found our guy and we're about to head to our resort. Oh my God, so our resort literally is down the block from the pier. The pier is right over there that we dropped off at. And it looks like our resort is right over here. How convenient. Yeah, Mr. Christopher. Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Ooh, welcome drink. Thank you. Our room is ready. Awesome. All right, let's go to check out the room. So it looks like this is the pool area. Very nice. And they have a gym, which I'm gonna definitely utilize that. Right in front of the pool, I'll take it. Oh yes. Shoes off here. And welcome to our beautiful room here out in Koh Rong at the Longset Beach. Check it out real quick. Really, really simple. You got a couple king-size beds for both Dustin and I. Right over here, we got some waters over there in the corner. And coming this way, we have a beautiful bathroom with a stand-up shower if you want to show that to them real quick. And here you got a toilet. And that's Longset Beach. And it's cool, right out here we have a tub if we really want to use it out here so people can watch us take a shower. But it's nice because the pool's over there, the gym's over there, and this place is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, we're here for the next 4 nights, 5 days at Longset. It was a warm welcoming for both of us, and yeah, I think we're gonna relax here, chill out at Longset, and I think we're gonna head to the beach right now. But we are heading right out to, I think it's called Longset Beach, which is a part of Longset Resort right out in front. God, the sand is so nice. This is some of the softest sand I've felt so far this trip, honestly. Where should we sit?
You want to go surfing?
I want to go surfing? Oh my goodness. All right, let's pick a spot. Oh, finally. This is so beautiful. And this is just so nice to be out here instead of the craze in Siem Reap, although we did relax in Siem Reap, but I think it's just my obsession being out at the beach. It's so nice and relaxing. I think I'm gonna have to check out the ocean in a hot second. What an incredible drone flight it was. I shot the drone all up and down the beach. I shot it over the resort. As you can see, the water is absolutely blue, aqua blue, cerulean blue, whatever you want to call it, and it is just relaxing vibes all around here. We're not even close to town. I have no idea where the town's at, but this is going to be a good 4 or 5 days here in Koh Rong, I can feel. Look at that shot. Woo!
It looks like
They are so friendly here. I absolutely love Longset. Julia was telling us that the closest city or the closest town is about a 30 to 40 minute walk. You can also take a private ferry or take a taxi to get there, a water taxi, which costs a little more expensive because they have to leave the town, come here to pick us up, and then go back to the town. So I think we're gonna do a little walk. It's like a 30 to 40 minute walk directly on the beach. You go through a little jungle area. It can get kind of dark and scary, let's say, at nighttime, but I think Dustin and I are up for the walk later on just to check out the town and see what they have there. But yeah, we're gonna eat some dinner right now, and I think we're gonna take a walk to the city later on. Oh yes, that is his. And I got my beef with broccoli, yummy. Thank you so much. Did you get there?
the Chicken Gordon Blues.
Chicken Gordon. Chicken Gordon is all over Bali, but chicken cordon is in Cambodia. And then after dinner, you can't forget your ice cream. All right, so a storm might be brewing right now, but we are crazy enough to walk 30 minutes to the town close by. So we have to do a walk on the beach. We head through the jungle and we end up on the beach and then to hopefully the town. We got our trusty flashlight with us. This could be a crazy walk, man. God, I really like this place. I hope we make it back. Oh, hopefully we'll see you in an hour or two. Yeah, it's literally down there. Long stretch down the beach, head through a jungle. They said there's a path in the jungle, and then you're at another beach, then you make it to Koh Touch. Koh Touch. I think that's what it's called, but we got about a 30-minute trek now through the jungle and we'll be there. All right, so this is the jungle part that we're going through. We are literally in the jungle right now. Two dudes heading through the jungle, trying to get to town with the rain coming. Yeah. Hey guy, just hanging out in the jungle. We have no idea how long the trek is to the town from the jungle, but hopefully we make it. I'm so scared. Oh my God, and this is promising. There's a tons of lights over there. We found another part of a resort. And yeah, I think that's the town over there. Dude, we're alive!
We're making it.
We're making it. And we made it to Koh Touch, the village. So there's like a little spa over here. You can see all the stores, the mini marts, restaurants, right on the beach. It's kind of nice to have everything on the beach. I absolutely love that. Now we're gonna just do a little exploring, see what they have here in Koh Touch. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but there's just stores and stores down the beach. It's like a little boardwalk, but this is cement. Like little tours, beach bars. There's a sea house over there. That's a restaurant, really. And right here you got a little party going. Woo! Looks like they have like DJs on the beach, music on the beach. All right, that's a quick shot in Koh Touch. Still don't know how to say it. The guy tells us that there's a huge party going on tonight and it goes on into the morning, which we don't really feel the need for partying. It was just kind of cool just to check out the area, see what they have out here. Essentially, it's just a party area. There's a lot of bars, beach bars, a lot of restaurants, there's massage places. And yeah, it's just in general a whole party area on Koh Rong. We're gonna do the same trek, 40 minutes, and get back to the resort through the jungle right now. Great success! All right guys, we made it back to the room. I just took a nice shower. It was quite the trek going through the jungle, going through the beach, checking out another area of Koh Rong, and it's been quite the adventure so far the last 6 days in Cambodia since we got out here. I absolutely love Koh Rong. You can tell it's a low-key island with some party at night, depending on where you're at on that part of the island, but majority of the island of Koh Rong is very low-key, it's very rural. A lot of the hotels don't have AC, luckily we do, and the Wi-Fi is lack of, let's say, on this island, but it's absolutely beautiful island, and we feel so blessed just to be out here. Longstead is taking care of us for the next 4 nights, 5 days, and I absolutely love it out here so far. One announcement that I wanted to make, it's not really an announcement, but my channel has doubled and the community here has doubled, so thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, especially on my Instagram account. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's Sea Loud Travel. I'll put the link right over here, and everything has grown for the last 2 months since I've been traveling, so thank you everyone who's started to follow, who started to subscribe, who started to watch all these vlogs that I'm making. I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have throughout my journey for the last 2 months and beyond, let's say. If you guys are brand new to this channel though, welcome to the channel. Hit that like button down below. Comment down below also if you have any questions on traveling Southeast Asia, Bali, Australia. I have a ton of Bali vlogs out, and there's gonna be more Cambodia vlogs coming out in the next week. And definitely hit that notification bell so you guys are reminded for the next vlog coming out. We're gonna be island hopping over the next couple days out here in Longset, so there's gonna be a couple vlogs out island hopping, 1 or 2, not 100% sure, but it's gonna be a really relaxing next 4 or 5 days out here in Koh Rong. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be on the lookout for the next vlog. Cheers guys.